After looking at about 50 other properties, I kept going back to Overture, and I just couldn't stay away.
We moved to Overture because it was very close to restaurants, stores.
I can go to Ross, I can go to Home Depot, Target, I can even get my hair done.
And it's right up the road from my son.
The best part for me is being able to go downstairs and hang out with my friends and have a good time. Every day just about there's something going on. We have a lot of residents that participate in all of our games, and they are really fun.
It gives us a chance to interact with our friends, so it becomes not only a good activity, but an interaction, social activity as well.
Of all the places I've had in the world, what counts are the people.
I love the opportunity to meet others, and I like just kind of being to myself sometimes. It's a resort type facility. You feel like, you're in some vacation home. They have a facility for fitness, and I love to work out.
It's got everything anybody could want, I think.
I'm always trying to get my friends to come and be my neighbor.
It's been good. And this place is just a star on the top.
It was the right place for me.